Meaning of indivisibly.
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 Indivisibly. Indivisibly is an adverb that means something cannot be divided or separated into smaller parts. It refers to the unity or oneness of something. When we say that something is indivisible, it means that it cannot be divided without destroying its essential nature or losing its core value. This term is often associated with political ideas such as unity and solidarity, which are seen as indispensable for a strong and harmonious society. In essence, indivisibly means an unbreakable quality of something that must remain whole and undivided to maintain its integrity and effectiveness.